Good morning, everybody. Another beautiful day in Arkansas. We're about to go Christmas shopping. We're gonna go get something to eat at this diner that Crystal and I always pass and haven't eaten at yet. We might even go hike a mountain. Not really sure what we're gonna do today yet. But right now, Crystal just got back from Whole Foods, got some new fixins. Let's see what she got.
Alright, so I was just showing Robert, I was just showing Robert all the things that I got, but, and I also put it on my story as well, so if you've already seen this, then I apologize. But, I got this new probiotic. It's from Whole Foods, and it was only like $15, but, it seemed like one of the best ones I could find that was like just actual real. Some of them I feel like they just put a bunch of junk in it, and this one I felt like was pretty good. So it doesn't have any like yeast, gluten, soy, eggs, corn, all the junk that you don't want. It's down.
What's the front of it?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Got it.
So I'm really excited to try this. I've been trying to get into like more probiotics, and so we're gonna try it. And then this is a yogurt probiotic, which I saw, I think it was Kim Howerton, posted. It was this brand of, it was like the same kind of yogurt, but that brand, the other brand had oat fiber in it, and I was not a fan.
You just drink it?
Yeah. So you drink like 8 ounces of it.
What's the
but
carb?
there's different kinds of probiotics than the other one. There's 4 grams of carbs per every 8 ounces, so maybe I would do like 4 ounces at a time.
How many fat?
10 fat, 6 protein, 4 carbs.
Gotcha.
1 gram of sugar. So I'm really excited about that too, because I really love this brand. And then of course you guys know sauerkraut, kimchi, whatever. I've never been a fan of it, but since I'm really trying, I'm gonna try and do like a couple of tablespoons a day and see if that helps at all. And yeah. So, and then do you want me to go over those things?
She got some deodorant too. She's been stinking.
Toothpaste, no, whatever. Toothpaste, body wash, but this is like an 18-in-1, so it does a million different things. Only 18 actually, not a million. But, and then I got deodorant.
Natural.
Exciting. Eventually, I'm gonna be making our own deodorant and toothpaste and body wash and stuff, but as I said in my story, I'm just like not to that level yet, so
You get there, baby.
this will do for now.
I'm excited.
Me too. Let's go eat.
Excited?
Super excited. I've been wanting to go here for a while.
The Bryant Cafe.
I love like simple little cafes like this. My favorite.
Let's get something to eat. Alright, so I thought that was pretty good. What was your verdict?
It was very good, and I forgot to ask if the eggs had flour or anything in it, but they do not. So bonus.
And they discounted our ticket for taking away the potatoes and
Biscuits and gravy or toast.
and gravy and toast. So most places don't do that, so I'm proud of them for doing that.
Yeah.
Alright, now we are at Bass Pro Shop. We're gonna go Christmas shopping for my family. So I'm not gonna bring the camera in because my mom actually watches my YouTube videos. So it would kind of defeat the purpose of going Christmas shopping for her if she watches what I get her. So no camera now, but I'll holler back at y'all soon. Alright, so we're about to hike up the hard side of this mountain. This mountain is Pinnacle Mountain. It's a state park here in Arkansas. One side is much more, you know, not much of an incline. It's pretty easy. The other side is much more rocky and pretty much straight up. So we're gonna go up that side and get like a little cardio in today. We're doing legs tomorrow, so it'll be a good way to get the blood flowing. I'm not gonna bring the camera because we're gonna be sprinting up it, but I am gonna bring my phone so I'll get some like footage of it with my phone. So it probably won't be as good audio quality, but hopefully you can get an idea at least what it's like. See you in a bit. We're vlogging on this. How you feeling?
Fine.
Ready?
Yeah.
So we made it that far. Can't see the road, but that's what we're about to go up. I got faith in you.
It's pretty.
Alright, y'all, we just scaled the steep side of Pinnacle. About to eat a keto brick, head back down. flavor, but it's probably our favorite one yet, and it's coming soon, so just get ready.
Super soft.
All right, Shell, we have just... What?
I just smelled my armpit on camera. I'm checking out that new deodorant.
Wow. All right, so we have just finished climbing up Pinnacle, and right now I'm gonna take Crystal out to eat. I took her out to eat this morning for breakfast. I'm gonna take her out to eat tonight. We don't normally go out to eat that much at all, but today I was like, I want to treat her right. We've both been just super busy this past week. I didn't want her to have to cook any meals today, so took her to breakfast, climbed the Pinnacle, spent some time with her there. We're gonna take her out to dinner and just have a good, fun night. So
super sweet of Robert.
Let's go get some steaks. I'm eating peanuts. Leek salad. Now I'm gonna eat the carrots. What'd you get, baby?
I got the roadkill, onions, mushrooms, cheese, and steak.
Alright, Joe, it has been a long day. Started the day off. I don't remember what we started the day off doing, but we've done a lot. We went on that hike, and we got breakfast. We went on that hike, and we went out to eat this night. So it was a pretty good, enjoyable day with Crystal. I've been just jamming on the computer these past several hours trying to get through email. Email, I don't know what the best way to do email is. Like I made a pretty good dent, but email is like the never-ending mountain in my life. Like I'll get through all my email, be it inbox 0, feel so stoked about it, and then like the next day I had more emails than I had the day before. Like it's just a compounding mountain, but it's a good thing. That means more people want to talk to me. That's a good thing. Anyways, tomorrow we're gonna be shipping bricks all day long, so I'm gonna be packaging that. I'm gonna go to the chiropractor again tomorrow for a follow-up appointment, so hopefully he tells me good news there. I'm going to train legs tomorrow, probably not going to go above 315 pounds, so I'm gonna work my way up gradually to that and just see how my body responds to it. Hopefully I don't have any kind of lower back pain again, but that is what we've got going on. So I'll see you tomorrow. Right now, Crystal and I are going to start signing those little hand-signed personal notes that we put in each of the brick orders. Excuse me, that are gonna be shipped out tomorrow. So that's what we're gonna do. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a great night. Good night. Sleep tight. See you then.